It was beautiful. It was an amazing experience, like never before. And I feel grounded. I feel myself. I feel happy. I feel whole. And I'm so grateful for being here and for everything that we are discovering within ourselves and sharing with everybody else.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
I love it here. Thank you, Alba.
You're welcome.
Thank you. We love you. I love you.
No, it's an amazing place, amazing time. No, there were a lot of unexpected things for sure. Yes, and a lot more than more than expected. I didn't expect things to go as deep as they did.
It's been a great day. The momentum just built and it intensified the whole time. And my favorite part was the frequencies and also the look into the future. It's just
Wonderful.
tremendous. I appreciate you. You're not living life if you're not going through this.
Oh, good. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
So, Floyd, how was it for you?
More than I expected.
Yeah, was it good?
Absolutely. Wonderful.
Would you recommend this to other people?
Everyone I see.
Were you able to experience any thing in the regressions?
Just energy. Mostly. Nothing really concrete, but mostly energy.
How was this, Beth?
This was transformational and amazing. This is my third gathering. The first one was online, and my second one here in Alba's amazing property, right under the grandmother tree.
Do you recommend this for other people?
Oh, absolutely, I recommend it. The sense of community and fellowship is just wonderful. Something I can't get anywhere else.
Thank you.